Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2, and thank you to the beautiful Giselle for helping me film this video, and we're gonna have a part 2. So, and also thank you for the orchestra over here for an unbelievable entrance. So, guys, what we've got going on here is a new creation that 702 Motoring has created, and this is a horn mount for an 8-inch speaker. It could be a Diamond Audio, it could be a Ground Zero, but I say that, but if you look, the Ground Zero, the basket is a little smaller than a Diamond Audio. So on some speakers, you could have a little bit of an issue. You can see how the basket's smaller all the way around. These are designed for the Diamond Audio brand of speakers to fit perfectly, to fit the Diamond Audio grill. But I'm going to explain this in just a moment here. So you have multiple uses or options for this speaker mount. So we make it in the Cerwin Vega P75T, and I make it for the MO75T Diamond Audio, both shallow horns. We don't make it for the dual like we do on the 6x9 because there's just simply not enough room. So you've got your choices: MO75T shallow horn or P75T shallow horn. Now, this is an American hardbag 8-inch cutting kit. And, you know, they make dual kits and single kits. It's an Aggressor Pro, which is this item right here. This kit runs, I believe current price is $379. Allows you to put an 8 on each bag and gives you the grill, the template, everything. So that provides a great solution for a good quality mid-range, whether it be the Diamond Audio Neo or whether it be the MS Pro 8 or other brands of higher-end 8-inch mid-range or mid-bass. With that being said, you need horns to keep up somewhere, whether you have an 8-inch in the lid, you put them somewhere else. So I felt, you know what? We're doing really good with the 6x9 horn mounts, single, double, and large Cerwin Vega, and we've sold quite a few. So I'm like, let's do some 8s. And, you know, it fits in the hair perfect. As you saw in the part 1 of the video, you can see the horn. There's no interference. We've tested this on a Diamond Audio Neo. There's clearance. There's enough clearance right there. You know, I put a lot of time into creating this. And the same thing on the 6x9s. You know, I know there's other guys out there doing different things, and, you know, to each their own. You know, I just wanted to simplify things and make it a little more easier for people to work with, you know, because when you take a 6x9, not this diamond, because this would fit a 6x9 cutting kit perfectly. There's no spacer that's necessary. Where on a lot of speakers, you do need a 1/2-inch spacer on a cutting kit or a 3/8. We make a 3/8. Some other people make a 1/2-inch. 3/8 is successful. So our horn mounts fit perfectly on the 6x9, you know, even the dual mounts. And, you know, I think we've got about 60-ish pairs on the street, been used for, I think, over a year now, and has been no issues with any that we've shipped with the horns already mounted. There was one issue with a customer who bought it blank, used his own horn. You know, I don't think we're going to sell it blank anymore. It's a custom design. It takes some work to do it. You buy the horns from us. We're going to mount. We're going to solder. We're going to do everything as necessary so you don't have any problems. That's the way it needs to go. I don't want to ship anything where a customer could possibly have a problem by not understanding one of the steps necessary to create it, to make it work successfully. These are custom-made parts. Harley, this is all custom-made product in general. This is not your, you know, quick, you know, throw it together garage type stuff. This takes some time to do this job right. So when it comes to, let's say you want to use this in the lid. This is a Diamond Audio grill. I'm just showing you this grill. There's a lot of manufacturers, and I haven't tested with every other grill, just a Diamond Audio. So it doesn't fit 100% flush. But it doesn't have much space in there either. So I think if you use the round 8-inch gasket on both sides, I think you're going to be in good shape. and you're not going to have any clearance problems. You do have a little bit of an issue this touching the horn right here, but you could easily grind a little bit of that off, no problem. When it comes to the MO75T, yeah, it needs well, no, about the same. So you're going to have to grind some of this the metal off the grill here. Just take a little bit off and run some, you know, the 8-inch gaskets on there. I think you'll be pretty good shape. But it looks awesome. It looks really cool. And like I say, this will work, you know, in any type of configuration you're going to do for 8s, you know, and give you horns without the horns being visible. So, you know, this is what it looks like inside this is the Aggressor Pro piece that goes inside on the other bag. And you can see what we're looking at here. There's no clearance issues anywhere. You know, your 8's going to fit there perfectly. Nice, solid, clean fit. If you notice the wires, you bring the wires out. It comes out of the actual 1/2-inch spacer, so it's not, you know, we're not bringing it above. So you have to take a lot of time, and I've thought about this, you know, and I put it to the test, and I think we're ready to put it to a test again and do a video on it. So this is our new 8-inch horn mounts, guys. They're in stock. They're on our website. Comes with the MO75T shallow horn, already custom built with the crossover is going to be soldered on it. Same thing with the Cerwin Vega P75T. You know, many people know Cerwin Vega and Diamond Audio are the same company, parent company. You know, Diamond Audio is their better brand. However, there are a few select pieces in the Cerwin Vega line which work very well for us. You know, this is a great horn. You know, clearly we put these in all the grills. This won't fit in the grills. It's way too heavy. But I tell you what, it fits perfect in this application. It fits perfect facing the front of the lids or the saddlebag, which we're going to do on this bike also. And, you know, it's an inch larger than this, and it does cost less. So, you know, there's some benefits there. And, you know, I like to save customers money. I don't like to sell customers stuff they don't need. I like to save them money. You guys should know that about me at this point. So, once again, guys, that's new product release, some 702 motoring in Las Vegas. We've got them in stock. If you need them, give us a holler or go on to our website, 702motoringlasvegas.com. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.